up.
I go like this.
Come let me know so this I got more I'm gonna do me here today. Cheers, Queenie. What a sight. My bomber clot 2,000 people that on my life already. No need for pay me. Move on a blood clot. Who's a public stunt? Not a public blood clot stunt. Me no play stunt and blood clot month. Girl, little girl. Let me tell you the difference with me now, little girl. Me's a big woman with understanding. I having on my phone. You text so you send Dowey and threaten Dowey and tell Dowey say I'm gonna put up the video. Me hear about the video from all long, but when we see the video a while ago, it's a different thing. Seeing is believing. I say because you want to mash up me and Dowey because Dowey fuck you from in a march out. When me and Dowey come from Jamaica the first time, when him run it the first time, you get the cocking. Fair enough, pussy power, girl power, me a shower. No can blood clad flat me. I am the fucking queen. One fucking wife. Yes. Me not make blood clot on the stress. Take off my jacket, my hat. Draft this. Queenie! You're not balling to any cow. Queenie. You're not balling to the press. Queenie not going to say shame. No. Me not shaming. Pussy power me a show. Girl, you need to crown me. You owe me, Queenie, a body wash. To send for my husband, and me and my husband argue, and him come spend 4 days with you, and then because him not moving with them things, you send him a threatening. Me have your number, I take your text. I have it long time, girl, but me never see the video. Because Dowey never want to give me video. Dowey say video disappear. But me tell Dowey, say Dowey, remember to be a queen and Dowey. Enough girl goes before my husband. Just the way I'm going. Everywhere me go, them just a shout out, Dowey. One man to me goodie. That a Dowey. When my can't share me a blood clot, and no one dog gonna catch him a fuck. One girl, him in her neck, I tell her, say me I left Queenie for you know. Me no want blood clot Queenie, but girl, you're an idiot. Because man tell you nice things, sweet lies. And you feel in your head and say, move your liar blood clot, you want the queen. But you feel like say you can't overthrow the queen. You can't blood clot overthrow me because a whole heap of get fucked. And I'm telling you the difference when I don't understand in life. You see the way? It's my husband and I'm his wife. He have a bond with me and I'm his life. We have ups and downs and obstacles, the good, the bad, and the indifference. And you see me, I can't take losing. Me, nah, give my husband for none of blood clot, you know. It's not one donkey neck gonna see my kiss up. And I never see me do one giraffe a kiss up her neck. And I never see me do one blood clot caterpillar, cause no found a caterpillar blood clot pillar. Girl, use what? Declare yourself, little girl. When see me, I lick out the bit of something out of my ears and say, Queenie, you're nicer, Atty. When you see me, I West Green with all my molly arm, you sniff out, little girl. And you are overthrow all foot. You idiot. Little girl, understand yourself. And don't think you can come in a married life and 9 year crosses are going to pay you just to take my husband. And you see the video with your throat? It's another 9 years. 2 9s, 18. Girl, me hate your behavior. I don't hate you. Just your fucking behavior. You've been sending threats to my husband because he came and give you a little dugo from March. I'm think when him run him give a little more again when him didn't want him here though. That's what I think. Because one little whistling bird whistle to me and say, la 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 loo la loo. So to my confused, I don't mean I saw now comment so no class blood clot me. Eh?
You say your friend's Pitney taking your man.
No, my friend Pitney.
No, that's
me not even repeat what them I said. Them chat so much shit. Don't mind blood clot them. At a party I go on right here. So why my life freeze and me not say me comment them?
Queenie, slide your screen down and slide it back.
Girl, right now the way I'm add for my husband, I just tell him to hug me to pussy clock the way I trim. I say do it hug me. The way you go to go the wrong is not me do it. But it's because I'm frightened over the marriage and say for better or for worse, and it's not a blood clot. You know, kiss up.
You got Nicki Minaj in there, you know?
Where?
Nicki Minaj is in your life.
Listen, it's not a hyena, you know, fuck do it, it's a woman. I'm a girl, blood clot power. And so because I'm a girl power, and you for know yourself. Okay. Because you see them girl here, them just want to see the cool here and want to taste and they don't know the fucking flavor. Uno go create no own, uno build no house for rascal stand and build my own on the grassroots, very strong. And you have to take losing in life. So girl, when me see the video a while ago, I just call do it out this a while ago. I trim so. And I just said, do it come hug me. Cause guess what, me hear about the video a long time, you know, but them says wind up your fat pussy. Pussy power girl. After when me got through 1 month ago with my husband, you think that could have shit blood clot me now. One of them want to put me in the rubbish pan, yeah. I did not go in the rubbish pan, yeah. I was so fucking crazy, couldn't find my husband. Yes, if I'm realize it, somebody want me know in my husband name, I say, in my husband ears, I say, Queenie a old man. Her baby father never married to her. I should give him 5 pitney. Queenie fuck out. Queenie done out. Queenie send out her pussy and it's ugly and awful and them class blood clot me and me just Queenie and say, that girl Queenie, me that girl, never flat blood clot girl. Pussy power. Girl, forget fuck. Move on the fuck out blood clot. Fuck you chuck. On a fuck a blood clot. But say no much girl man me can fuck. Me not fuck them. Me keep my dignity cause my hot and terrible awful and no blood clot boy not tickling on my ears. Cause you see the little tickling something? Nice. Do just trick you with them little ear and rub him ear by your neck and say I want to you, I want to Queen in there. Move on a dirty blood clot. All I'm doing now, defend me, I defend you. Because you know what? I've got the strength and the power to. That's why God make him married to blood clot me. Because you say, oh no, God knows so honor did not come. 1 man to be good. That I do it! The real girl is moving a dirty blood clot. Some of them have 199 blood clot, woman. Go ahead. And I'm not getting my husband. Me hear somebody. Do it, I don't know what to do with himself. But now I put my husband on and no stress. Fuck that. Me, I'm glad we get back my husband. Do it. It burned me, you know, but you know when you get a bird, it cool off. Talking them.
Nicki's in your life, you know.
Nicki Minaj?
Nicki Minaj is in your life watching you, babe.
Who said Nicki Minaj?
Nicki, she is. I can see she's in there.
Nicki, you can't give me that pink dress there. Nicki, listen. Nicki, the Minaj.
Yes, she's in there watching you. She's been watching for a good 5 minutes now.
I need my spectator to move my bumper pussy. Who there, Nicki Minaj? Now you see them some. Me titty cup. Wait there. Nicki Minaj, I watch my film. Original, remember them have fake page?
No, it's her.
Remember me having a stupid eyelash every day? Where? Screenshot it, man.
Look.
Jesus Christ. Nicki Minaj upon my life. You're going to blood. I like it. Nicki is my new friend. Nicki is my new friend. Look good to Cherry. Nicki's my new friend. Nicki's my new yeah. I love the act this is move on the blood clot. I'm not going to my husband, I'm sorry. I change my mind. Me not vex. It burned me. What? It burned me, but what happened yesterday cannot come back today. So fuck that. Leave me and my husband alone. Me hear one man over and page just a chat me and say, Queenie cussing people them. Them not cussing me for my husband and they leave me the fuck alone. Everybody have them own issue. Fuck off. Hey girl, I get a bus.
She's a good one.
Hey, I lie.
Yes. She's coming in.
Nicki, queen power. pussy bumper ass clad power me a shower every hour. Me can't burn no girl punani. Every girl punani have them own power. So every hour is another pussy power. Oh God. Hey girl, what you thinking I gonna do? Aunt me with that video? Lie I tell. Aunt for blood clot aunt. I make you famous. I make you, I put you on my platform. For my husband, guess when the 2.5 fuck. And I've do it. Do it! Yo. Do you never remember me when you kiss up the girl? Go say my wind up on TikTok. Watch. Do it. My mama pussy tongue. I need to get to the cup of tea and 2 slices of toast bread. If you don't want to put cheese in it or blood clot sausage, or if you don't want to put egg, or you don't want to put salami in the fucking bread. I said, you know, so I'm to Queenie and do it. I don't care, still my husband. And me are the one wife, yes. I need what? I'm so glad I never put on back the whole ring, you say. New vows. I can see if the man love me, I want because he must have remarried me for all of this. What? Queenie, I love you. Ima, what a out of that girl? Girl, you know you could take the little sex. And if you have a baby, you know after the baby is all mine, you know, because when I look a young old need for skin out and breed, but the fact that me never did it for push my nose in your vagina and go so. And I said, do it. That pussy and I have nothing in it, you can't go in there. It's the fact that I wasn't there to pass it, to know whether your pussy is good or... If you have questions, and I say, I wonder if him have STD, BTD, KDD, or the, because if him have it, me have it too. But girl, you see the way my pussy fresh and nice. If your pussy good, it good. Me not gonna deny you your pussy. Me don't know if him fuck you in a condo, but me know my pussy nice and fresh. I used to just say this. Come hear about the video, you know, but them say seeing is believing. It's like how I see this now. I need to book in the sexual health clinic and to see what's and pussy power. Man, teeth and go fuck mad man. Man going to hear where them not going to for fuck. Man fuck them friend woman, them cousin woman, them sister woman. Pussy power. We are sure. So girl, you get a little fuck now and then do the video. See her? I see her with a little eye. She know what she do, you know, like she said, Queenie. Wait till you say blood clot. You don't know who named Queenie? You don't know with me? When I lift up the way cocky and put in there and take the way, I say, wind up in that. Oh, fuck out our blood clot. But I never invite me. I eat that. So you think that shit me? It burned me. It burned me because you know why it burned me? In truth and fear. If you rate the way that you that all the video. And just that, let me say is a idiot girl. Is that girl a flap girl? Me is a hot girl. Never a flap girl. Hot girl Queenie. If you did rate my husband and have respect and self-esteem, you'd have all that video just to look at it or even show your friends. But you want proof from the queen. One queen in there carry that girl. Who you, man? I mean, when the man know you're right now. Who you? Could no blood clot, mono. Could no mono dance, drink blood clot. Could no come with 50-year-old still there, road still full of chat. Nah, take it back, fat pussy girl, still forget tap. Say, you know, something turn goal. Oh, you mean, but too old, look at the speed from 10-year-old. The rest thing never been, never fall me. Queenie never been. Bombo clan, Nikki. Send me dick. Or go, send me Nikki. Go school, Mr. Salaman, Nikki. Ghana man yard. Whoa, why Nikki, why Nikki, why? Juk Nikki, juk, eh, juk. Girl, I one thing me vex about. My bet because you never invite me for watch. I'm gonna say do is slap up our ass. That bun me. You can't get my husband. Don't mind blood clotting with them bank yourself. Damn puppy show. Silent river runs deep. Humble calf suck the most milk. So you think I gotta get back some of that jump plum cocky the first stick here? I make your man afraid. Me not read no. Me not read no comments. Girl, you make it on the Queen's matey. Whoa! Hey, hey, Queenie, I had to. Hey, God, you make me. Hey, God, you love it. Hey, God, you see you, God, Father God. Why did you make me for all? I want them come here so far for we. Oh, why did you come here so to make all of this happen, Father God? Jesus Christ! It come like I didn't know so this is gonna happen because me dress up today. My husband said to me, say, when I dress up I go. So I say, pretty girl Queenie. I first him call me Queenie now. Cause I crazy him call me. So them said that to me, I said I'm not going anywhere. I look here. I renew my vows and I look here. So him say, yeah, I got somewhere. I say anywhere I go, I bear you. I'm in the bed from around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and I said, do I can't sleep. I'm going to call Ready and Rebecca. Ain't it Ready and Rebecca?
Yeah.
I'm saying, no, so I want to sleep. I can't sleep. I just can't sleep. I need to go bar and bar and go wine. Me never know say I see somebody a wine up in my face. Girl, little girl. Come rush me now. Touch a butt. Girl, me not look for you now. Right there, someone put it and it says it, your uncle, cousin, niece, all who not see a long time ago. So well done, Queenie. Queenie, I'm proud of you, see. Queenie, you know, for when I look for my little family. You think me after time to sit down and make you give me blood pressure? I not look for you, girl. My hot girl, me that girl, never a flap, girl. I do put him cocky there, not me. Hey, girl, how was it? Girl, you need to come friend me. You need to come friend me and tell me why you really had to put the video out. What do you intend to achieve? For me to leave my husband and he packs and come to you. Am I that fucking stupid? No. Jesus Christ, Queenie, your mouth, goat, mouth, your goat, mouth. M-O-U-T-H. M-O-U-T-H. You touch your mouth spell? M-O-U-T-H, Queenie, your mouth. So you know, so since night, I come out of the house, I said to do with them. Hey, you see that woman, yeah? I'm not even about to tell you what I said. I ask do if remember. To God be the glory. Great things he has done. And give you the June plum again and again. You get the cock. And you all start react. You get the cock. Queen, I love you. Nice. I look good you. What a day if you can make Debbie do your face. And you're here. Me is a disgrace by my blood clot self. No can't disgrace me. I'm telling you now, disgrace the blood clot disgrace. You think you're going to hide and haunt me? And my blood pressure go tip top. See, I like your blood clot tell. May your blood pressure go 1 for you, 1 for me. 2 for you, 2 for me. 3 for me, 3 for all of the man them want to fuck you. I got to do it your next day, so. I see me up on the phone. Well, both and cocky must say, I said, dog. A third one, this is not called 3 piece to 2 one. You must say, I said, third one, this me lick down, you know. I want to them a long time. I get this up, but they are great. I've got a girl's husband. To Cheria, I am the wife, one wife. Already in your neck and your ears. See breast here, the right eye titty, queen, lady gangster. That's why I see her with a little eye. I see her like she said, girl, my tattoo beat up your dirty blood clot. That's how you do the video. You can't add me because the tattoo first auntie. Me first auntie with the tattoo that's on my husband. What? Queen, I love you. Girl, it's on the tattoo box in your face here, you know. Sarah with the onion. But all you do it, me not lie. This doesn't me stronger now and now let you go more. Because I'm going to show no blood clot Queenie and Queenie. Me not go to my husband. Really? You think me going to say alright do it? But don't want too much blood clot cockroach out there pitch on the pit toilet. 3-piece 31 connect! And I come by the man June plum cream and a dirty blood clot. All I want a free cream. Go man, I got to do some music. Third artist. You think, do I idiot? Do you have one progressive, the strongest, baddest blood clot bitch right now? Me, Queenie. But no mama bomba put the blood clot. The only fear me have a father God. Not no fear is blood clot. Because if anything will shake me just shake back it dirty blood clot and just, if I grung me for one line, I say, me shame! Shame and kill me again. How much time we gonna shame, son? Every minute, shame me, Queenie. Queenie. Fuck that, me's hot girl. That girl never a flat blood clot girl. Me's a hey, but powerful now bomba clot still, you know. Every week, sir. So tell me now, did I write my story and my journey? No, I fucking didn't. Did I know this girl video was gonna come out today? No, I fucking did not. Why the comment them gone? Book me official and take me out of this ghetto. I'm tired of getting, you know. It's today me I say I need some new friend. Nicki Minaj, J-Lo, all of them people that up there today. This morning I said it. I'm so tired of you broke motherfucker, you broke ass bitches that feel like you can take my fucking husband. That when I was in fucking Jamaica, he came to me and said he was gonna marry to me, and I'm like, what? And then all this because I'm up in my element and I can't tease my husband and the uncle can get like a slap, liquor dash and liquor slap, and I not get no more. So you get that slap and you take that dash. Queenie, look with you. I say a while ago when I see get the video, see me, I'm nervous that I shake it up, but through me a bad guy, I just say do it ugly. See about with them sisters. I say, I hug me because it's not me. You say I kiss somebody's neck. And just calm. Calm down, Queenie. I'm not talking to nobody. When I do not send me any friend requests, leave me alone. I do not want to speak to anyone, please and thanks. I want to listen. I want you lot to listen to me and learn. Today for me and tomorrow for you. It's not for you to have a cup of tea and choke on it because you feel like then Queenie get defeated. No. The strongest soldier get the most fight. So it's my husband, when I got constantly use him as a weapon because I can't use me for no weapon. Because I'm a piggy wiggy swine. Then sometime I turn drunk with tear dead meat. Then one next time I turn dead blood clot. I gave a pass a dead dog at Jamaica when it dead in the sun and it's hot. And the sun hot and the dead dog stink. Sometime I'm a fucking dead dog. So because I've got so many characters and you lot cannot manage me, you lot squeechy and squall to use my husband as a weapon. So me now after I've sense and said, do it, you need to stop it. Do it, you don't see that they're setting it up. Do it, remember me love you. Do it, remember me I fight for you. Do it, remember. That's why God make him married to me. Because when me just take do, you know, it's a girl where I message do from 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Them done blood clot, man. Them never want to do, you know, do it naked like blood clot, green backer. One green buckle standing on the wall. Two green buckle standing on the wall. Give me work the accident of fire. When I go, I say, but do it. So much girl I done me fear. Them, you couldn't make them bring you 2 little t-shirt, 2 little socks. So when me and I say him, where were them you say him opportunist? Him for name out in a dirty blood clot. Opportunist what? Do you know what it is to be fucking opportunist? Do we supposed to make us send some Western Union and me go down and we send go buy some shoes? But when you want name on my money, we me don't make yet. No further feel say only royalty drop already, so I feel like I can't trick the way until do it look nice something when no body and I send pussy picture, then him send body picture. Me not care. Because when me let him out of my hand with him, and nah let him out of my hand again, so I'm sorry for blood clot him. So time will tell. Me I only know if him want me and love me because I'm not giving him no bad no more chance with my husband. You know, so since that, I tell her woman she should have to put out her husband again. And she said, Trina Queen, and I say, anytime your husband have something, get back the comment from me, because I want to see if that will look good. Go ahead, my friend of mine, Robert, and take all so my man, them taking a life-saving money and they're still alive. But big man reason now. Me want to feel bad about the situation, but guess why I can't feel bad? As I said, burn me. But you know when you go put all your hand on the fire and lift off all the pot on it, but you say, ow! Wow! And you put your hand, you put your hand underneath the water and it's cool. I said it burn me a while ago and I'm shaking and I say, when I ask do about the video, when I get the text and the girl I say, she go put him up. I have the text on my phone, you know. Hey girl, I put up your text and show you how great the queen is with all your number. Me's an old fool, you fucking stupid bitch. You think you can't trick blood clot me and do it? Me know everything and just keep back and stay so. I'ma read out the text to do it when 3 nights ago. I said do it. The girl I blackmail you because she want to move out. You move out to the cocky feet her. My June plum, I recognize that June plum. You know, a long time I see I love you if I'm going to give you a baby. And I think as a baby go with a cheesy blood clot, chlamydia pussy, go and you can't put on a pussy on a finger and on a pussy and go so. Too much nasty cocky juice in there. Go one man to the goodie. One man to the goodie. That's the way. But no bad man still do. Can't me a tea fuck off our married man now. Why me go blackmail him to move out and come with the suitcase and don't go back to her, she too old on the fucking road. You understand me? Ages and look how his feet are nice for 52. I'm serious, I look more attractive than you right now, girl. I'm serious, I'm 27. What call me? Hey, you know enough for crown me? I'm so enough for crown bomber pussy rascal in a cast every week. Hey, me want triangle in a way phone there. Hey, me want triangle still in enough for the do every time of it. No more. Where police are not going about them business? Yo, fam. Have you seen man fucking some pussy, fam? Or you see man kissing up neck, giving icky? What did you see, bloody? I can't talk to nobody right now. Listen, I'm on my live, you know, fam. Big shit is happening over here. Listen, me catch one girl will do it. I'm just put her up. Boy, them was screech send me. Me just screech up. My dad, my dad, me not like me. I get rich to watch my husband. That's all I call him for the girl. Do it, yeah, my dad, do it stiff like one stiff jacket. Husband, me ain't all left. Unless you want the girl, you want the girl do it. Why? Listen, Silk, hurry up up and come out here. I forgot to do our next song, Silk. Silk. How long, fam?
20 minutes, 20 minutes.
Alright, fam. Yeah. Oh, God. Well, you could tell my husband if you make a video that reach to me. Hey, girl. You couldn't say Queenie at the hide a little video. You fooly, man. But you want to go on my page. I know, so I just said, chum. True, me say girl power and pussy power. Since they do me a favor, I get do a little pussy. It's alright. Because you're not getting not more than a little fuck when you get, girl. You're not getting well. Time will tell, as I say. I'm going to say hi to these officers. And I'm going to tell the officer that my husband cheated me. And hello, officers. Good night. Hello. Am I interrupting? Can I be nice? Well, I'm Queen Lady Gangster. And I'm an Instagram sensation.
Sensation?
Yes. And I do music.
Sensation.
So I just found out that my husband cheated me with a girl, and I'm just making the best of it because I can't take it back. Anyway, what do you think, madam, as a female?
No comment.
No comments, officer. No. Yes, that's a good lad. Want to hear what the officer said? Cocky and pussy argument.
Oh my God, Queenie, they're gonna cost me again. Remember they cost me before.
No, I look, as so much people talk. Girl, oh God, do it. Why did you do that? Don't do. Hey, hey, baby. Woman from bicycle called my baby. Marine at Galina. The police said, no comments. The woman said, no comments. This is a true British officer. Straight face, no comments. Woman, look at all of my eyeglass there. I can't see where I'm going. You know, have nothing for my friend here?
You see police in there,
Oh, them too long for going. Jesus Christ, God. You know, so no need for payment for my whole life story them I'm sure you don't know. And then when I start talking, where's something else stunned? Fucking hell, fam. And somebody I forgot to them whole heap of disgrace and embarrassment here for stunt. But I need for pay me for stunt, because I'm sure now I get no pay for this fucking stunt. What me get? More recognition? Fuck that. Me is my own brand, my own label, I have my own style, I turn on my own self. So what the fuck do I need to do? Fucking stunt. You know it burned me when I find a video there. It burned me straight. As old if I help my Bex. And the final way I help my Bex, I got 3 same thing and that's all my Bex. But it's alright, life goes the fuck on. Private number is what I do now.
Anything from the shop?
Hello?
Anything from the shop?
What do you want? To laugh after me? Or you can't laugh after me? Me and my husband right here, so them start at me already. Oh, please don't laugh at me. That's not nice. So now bad me a pant. But Jesus Christ, I want Queen in a deck do you know. Then I will make so much drunk magnet have a pick for me now. Do we a hot? Do we hotter than me now? Everywhere. Watch out. I do that call me a cuss over, you know. Hey, I got strong still, you know. Yeah, man. I can't name shit, man. And I bring one ball of shit, come give me my name, man. I thumb up strong. Strong. And I look on blood clot, you know. I want life me have. Me never me go dead tomorrow for so I guess I'm ball over you and get kiss up neck. Seeing is believing. You didn't get any sex, girl. It's all the kiss up neck. It's all the kiss up neck. Me never seen a cocky in a pussy. Girl, you could have... It's all warm to them, yeah, man. Is this one or not? This private? Hello, private number. Good evening. You're live with the Queen. Somebody? Never. Them they from me live. Ah, come and go to titty. You know them auntie. You don't say I never aunt man. Them they probably wanna come off of my page. Move! Get away! Vamos! I will cut AC police van there, you know. But the right time police station. Jesus, you see that? It's you the police are come from. You see somebody will just call me, it's one of the police I come from. Watch it. Watch it like them never want to talk to me. But no comments. You see with the England police, no darling, it's there. You see with the British police, yeah? They use what the word psychology? I thought I heard already. Oh, this I dropped down now. Hello? I catch my husband almost at Dugu is what? Yeah, who this? One Queenie and that. But I'm alive, baby girl. Yeah? Alright, baby, phone about boy. Only that she said me and almost catch do ya do go. That's when she dropped the pink robe now. I wonder if she have that part the next. Girl, just send out everything and stop having me that suspense. Did you get the go or did you not? Did you video or did you just take the shot? Ha ha. Why am I not say the something them? I want me to forget about the comment them. Eh? You want me to pause it? Hey, let me tell her which part of all of this make me feel good. She'll be dressed up her hat. Is who that? Hey girl, where you get clothes?
Hello, you tell me to come in a car.
Girl, me have man problem. Leave me alone.
I mean, I have man problem. Your man is beside you, so I have man problem.
If they're beside me, but one girl I give a problem, I say, do it this. She's... Girl, me say I have man problem for my life. You don't see what's happening. You don't see what happened.
Yeah, but Barbara soon done, no?
My business is down there, so my business is righteous. So yes, I play. I don't want nobody down there to patronize me. I'm alright, right? So everybody I go, oh, Queenie, and low blood clot me. You know, smell the soap foot. Yeah.
No fucking coke on me. I was shitting myself. I was
Baby, so why you buy so much coke for them? Why you never buy one, but no buy, you know why so much coke? Buy the something there. The cranberry one. The cranberry taste it better. Buy cranberry beer. Hey, beg you that clothes and Miss Sonny. Me not cuss. I also may cuss too. I'm not cussing my husband.
No, cussing the girl.
Which girl may I cuss? Me trouble girl, me not cuss her. Hey girl, me not cussing them. I don't have no time for. I'm too old for that shit for. I long for see but girl, me cannot sell out my royal crazy for somebody them. Why don't you have a new clothes you show off? You better give me clothes. When you take it off, give me. It's nice, see? You do over your breath. Girl, love me, the man, and make me take out my...
I have some trouble here. I come from far.
Alright, come hug me, because you look good. Come. Come hug me, because you look good, girl. Bumper cloth. It's who this one, pretty girl? No. Which one? Them say what? Yeah, my mute it because I don't want to hear what them say. Kiss up my grandparents. I don't want them hear what me are talking us. And me mute it because them a listen. You want them hear what you're saying us? Alright, kiss up my grandparents them and bye because you don't have no husband problem. Bye now. Me not like my artist blood clotting. One queen. Hey, Queenie. Jesus Christ. I'm good to take everything for you. I look good to her. I would have my husband will kiss up girl like a bat. Why? Me hear a man since that when them world boss. Be very careful of what you say. That the tongue is very powerful. And when you have power, you defeat a lot of things. My always tell do say you're very powerful. You see the video you have me for airport. I used to be say go put you on social media and somebody put you on it. I'm here. World dog since part night planning something say doing a broke no record. I learn a blood cartel, my husband broke record right now cause me broke it for him. One girl feel like she can't screech upon her belly like she has the soda screeching. Her fucking aunt me and trick blood clot me for me auntie in my house and have blood pressure. Like I tell girl me I laugh after your dirty blood clot. Do we ram out your pussy rascal? Good evening. Jesus Christ, sick arrive! Sick arrive, so not me, I call about me. That's my life, my dad.
He was on the live.
Yeah. Alright, my dad. Causation, up move. Upper clad, sick arrive. Sick arrive. What do you tell me, sir? What do you say? I'm going to show you the queen power bomber pussy rascal full. Send me a singer song, yeah? But don't know my husband there. Bomber clad Queenie. Queenie, don't be nervous. Stop short and call me like yourself, Queenie. Queenie, relax. Do it. You've been naughty, do it. You know that. But you know what? Do it. You're only human, darling. And people learn from their mistake. So it's up to you. It's a show to do it. Everywhere me go, there is a show to do it. Bomber clot. Only that love me left me, and him left me. No, we're not going nowhere. We make a commitment. She must see why I end up in a body bag. Me no trouble, not a body. I me no walk with me goodie for my forehead. Girl I run down my husband queer. And when you check it, she a weird dirty baggy. Them life mix up like porridge. Them expire, give them to garbage. No girl can style me. Style who? After me in a battery doll. Bomber blood clot! I watch it bomber blood clot. When Nicki Minaj just gone? Nicki, you can't send for me. Nicki, can you please send for me, yeah? Because you know what, yeah? Them are trouble, but we won't come up for it. What? Yeah. Okay, I won't. Yeah. Nikki, you can't send for that. Oh, Nikki, they're abusing me, you know. I want to come different foreign here. You know, I reach out on different part of signing. If it's that Grammy, I get I go ask her. Me now look. Jesus Christ, God Queenie. I wonder if me used to eat dead meat when me young. It's like I drunk tear the dead meat. You know, my feast me used to eat dead meat, I don't remember. No. Me's a good drunker draw blood clot breaks. Me nah lie, I love myself. What the song go? Sick rhyme, up move. No girl no great like blood clot me when it comes to cocky movements. Yeah. Everywhere me go, them just a show to do it. Everywhere me go, them just a show to do it. man to me good day. That I do it. That I do it. That I do it. One man to me good day. If she bad, she must be end up in a body bag. Me no trouble, not a body. I me no walk with me good up on my forehead. Girl I run down my husband queer. And when you check it, she a weird dirty baggy. Them life mix up like porridge. Them expire, give that to garbage. No girl can style me. Style who after me no battery that. One man to me goodie. That I do it. Do it. But some hear the man this evening so do it no broke no record. I lie that tell my husband broke record. And me broke it. I never tell him that so the girl did catch my video and cry. And put it on the page. Me not sick arrive, good evening. Up move. Sick arrive. Oh God. Jesus Christ. This coming like in a quarantine. Up move. I want me to do wrong. May I forget them little piece. Hello, darling. Mwah. Queen Wave. Girl power. Listen, remember them have the song all over TikTok, you know, just the front me I give them. The song that all over TikTok, so me at... Alright, Queen in a deck. Alright, madam. Alright, but that gets to them more do it. Yeah. Alright, Sikara. Many things I say, madam. Fuck that. Now the other man, bomba clack. Hey, I better make me get the royal ass them. My hat. No girl can style me. You know hear that? You know don't say Nicki Minaj up on my life. Girl power Nicki. Nicki can't give me that clothes there. Nicki, can you give me that pink clothes, please? Put fun and joke aside. Shame them and say the clothes come. You know what I'm saying? So I put it up on my page. I close them. Nicki, me love all of your clothes, but in my mind, me have them on. So, even if you say them, come give me wear them already. That's why I put them on my page. Whoa, that girl Queenie. Man, do supposed to fuck 9 times tonight, and 9 blood clot life me have. You have to fuck up my pussy for 9 times. Fuck fight our blood clot funeral. Then they kiss up neck there. You have to give me what if I fuck out whisper in my ears and tell me something true or false. Hey, life sweet and life hard and life miserable. How life come with all blood clots out. I mean so crazy.
Do you bust the something?
So crazy things always happen, innit? Hey, you don't forget about my Viva, you know. Oh, make sure you don't just love the mix-up. Yes, alright. You see how much I own there is? Alright, let me show you now, no dirty bomber. Wanna come out from a blood clot live now. Empty this. On a dirty blood clot. You know, I never tell you where they are. You see? Remember, I'm telling you where they say. When I mix up and do it left me, I know one blood clot me, the whole of blood clot, one of the there for over me, on the go over to my beef. They're so horribly, you know. I don't love mix up man and then I don't done. I don't want class, me, I said to me, say, I want bag of woman, I'm this, I'm a grandpit them, this, I'm a pit them, that, I'm a husband, this. But we are all the fucking same in different ways, different line, innit? I no better, look what I know, look, better say, 11,000 people. Better say, it's maybe 3,000 out of 11 people know some Aviva. When I can't stream to my son, I make me go over there and say, oh God. Like how I put the shame aside and make them help me shame. Because before me, I don't stay shame. The whole of blood clots we are shame. Why don't you think I put up the video? Me! I still at my house. I made that video there and me! Tomorrow, I'm a stiff blood clots, 200 to ass clot, the way my emotion that grip me tight. Fuck that. Me and Uno a shame. Me and Uno a lame. And me and Uno a blame. So any blood clot thing where reach me, reaching Uno. Why do you think I put it up? When a guy share it up, when a cousin, when a auntie, when a niece, when a neighbor, when a classmate, when a work colleague, whatever, for them journey with them they go through, when a guy use me as a perfect fucking example for it. I'm gonna show you like something. Don't fucking move. When you come, I wanna come for ear mix up. When a guy listen to my raw song. It look like me not have no Wi-Fi on this, so. No, my husband, I'm glad he's married to me one more time. Oh, my God. All about Queenie, I'm going to do. Be a girl where my husband. If me not shit in the car, so now you can't ask cartel for me. If me not shit in off a plug in and a charger in a this, me, when I have to fuck off for me. You say anything with me have on a blood clot have it. Ha 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 ha. If I'm a saliva on a lick it out I do it ears. Crazy. Me are the queen in a deck. I'm not talking to nobody, please and thanks. I'm not being rude. I don't have time to listen to nobody opinion. I'm alone. We are the queen that, oh God, Queenie I see blending wonder. Hey, listen, don't tell my mother. Nobody do that camera name to my mother. Stress. Nipple them stiff in a bit. Stress. All that about say my man leave. Me are the one wife, yes. 5 pitney, me get out of me good girl. Watch how me pussy fat. Me kids them rate me, no matter who hate me. A girl a chat me, tell her come good. Me are the queen. And you hear that, girl? I am the queen in the deck, yeah? You're my slave. Okay? You are my fucking slave, mate. Me are the queen in the deck. I am the fucking queen. You know the little three of them where TV, the little man them, and I move with them, and that's a go on now. You know the man them you think with them cocky. We think with our brains and our head. That's a girl power, you know. I mean, I look like every girl. Age 52 still strong. Age 52 still strong from a down there. Me not deny my husband, I cause him kiss up your neck and fuck out your pussy. My busy video girl. And my husband, my busy video for me to come peep and screech and come back and say, I still have to get that pussy, you know, because man, I'm easy, you know. That's why I said, time will tell, baby girl, because I'm the queen.
Yeah, I want things to be like that.
I don't be in a deck. Me are the queen in a deck. One queen in a... Now I'm going to sit down and shame and ball now and say, do you should do that because they do not marry it. Fuck that. Nipple them. But it's true though, fuck that. Whole heap of people are dead and sick and something. Fuck that. Remember my husband, I'm going to wrap up 9-4. 9 big go.
I want to get
one queen in a deck. So fucking rude. One queen in a deck. You sound good. May I put the camera up on you? Only just give me something. Give me some tobacco or something. And I do not do that to the queen. After this, I have husband problem.
Right? If you're a parent and you don't have life insurance,
hey, a long time I get money now.
Right now.
What's the thing that my man give you?
Him have it. Do it. A long time I get money now, not just today now. Long time, but not for run. I didn't have no cheese. Crazy. Crazy. Me are the queen in a deck. Next time you want to fuck some pussy, do it. You have to carry me. Me attack now, do it. If not even listen to me. Queenie be a very good. Queenie stop it. Me are the queen in a deck. Bomba club. Be queen, I like queen in the bomber cloud deck. Do not running stuff. Running at the blood cloud, what queen me love the atlas, yes, me love the atlas. Them never back this. Now them want back this. Now my vice is around the whole acting. Them a check me them cat. You hear him out? But you not gonna talk to me when I go out.
The son round there go and back.
It's all that. It's all that. It's all that. Eh? Who is that? And me are the one. Hey man, beg you right for the bike here, please. Can I go in the back?
What?
Can I get bike back?
Hello? It's live?
Can I? Yes, live.
Oh, there's car.
Say hi.
I am Brazilian.
Oh, Brazil.
Brazilian.
Nice. Be safe, okay?
Okay.
I'm at the delivery. My husband, Ati, I saw like, you see, although he's a queen, you still have problems. Nipple stiffing at me. All them at talk about them a man leave. And me are the one wife, yes. 5 pick me get out and me good. My kids them rate me, no matter who hate me. A girl a chat me tell her come good. Me are the queen in a deck. What queen? Me are really queen in a deck. See me on my deck? And I'm me in a deck. Me are the queen. Me not coming in there. Do not go in there. I'm not going to go in the film. I'm not going to go in there. I'm not going there. No, he's not going to go in there.
You think anyone inside knows?
Why are you ready for go home, girl? Me need a little help.
Because they're vibing, they're not on their phone. Do you get it?
Oh, no, don't chat me now. Do not chat the queen. Wanna give me something for drink now?
30 minutes.
Please.
Just come, let's go in there, man.
Why? Give me a light, baby.
No, absolutely.
Do it not go in there. I know do stay. Do it not go in there. Too much people are going to look for them.
I'm telling you right now, no one's watching him.
Do it how I'm telling you.
Everyone's at home.
Yes, you say you might say baddest blood clot bitch and your wife I defend you.
Not watching.
All who don't have a bad bitch is a fucking bad. You have to have a bad bitch because you see a girl, you do all sorts of the pussy for catch it back there, you know. What me there for catch you the back. Me not go back in there, baby girl. True. My frequency not there, son. You understand? Too much people are going to call to me and make me feel like I have soul food. Fuck that. And them have